when I was a child, we used to go on these camping trips with other families, and we'd all take our bicycles on bicycle racks on the back of the cars. And there's a few ways you can tie your bicycles onto the back of a car using those bungee cords, these elasticated cords. And one of these families would tie the cord on one side of the bike rack, stretch it all the way across all the bikes as far as they could, and then find another attachment point where they could. And they'd do that 2 or 3 times, and they'd have this like network of these bungees stretched all the way they could, but it was actually all quite loose. It was difficult to get it to work. And we were once following one of those, and they hadn't quite got it right, and a load of the bikes fell off the back of the car on the motorway onto the road. And the other way of doing this is to find individual attachment points where one of the frames is meeting the bike rack, and you tie the bungee cord around very tightly in one specific place, essentially using it like a zip tie to tie it on very tightly. As it transpires, that's a much more effective approach to get that to work. I think that you can take lessons from that about how you apply AI, things like causal AI, but also generative AI across your organization.